my God, Mom.
Oh my God, Lena, it's ridiculous. Well, it's a typical Wonderland out there,
Wow. Wow. What a difference like 2 hours makes.
right? Oh my God.
It won't stop.
Do we have our supplies?
Oh, we'll be fine. Oh my God. This, not too long ago, was barely any snow here.
This is amazing.
Now you could have a snowball fight from my fire escape with plenty of ammo. Oh my God. Wow. Can't even see. Ooh, here comes the snow. Can't even see anything. I don't think it's gonna ever stop tonight. It's gonna go, it's supposed to snow tomorrow too.